other way, isn't it? Unless you got a friend who lives over there.
No, she's got one underneath the steps.
Oh.
Well, somebody does. I don't know if it's her.
And who lives over there?
A different one. We have 3 of them.
Oh, there's another nest.
Yeah, there's one over there.
Oh. She's gonna tucker herself out.
Quite impressive.
Mm-hmm. The nest over by the garage got washed out by the rain, and then the ants found the cicada. What if we saw another cicada hawk come and try to steal it from it?
That would be really cool to have on video.
Rest for a minute, clean, put your makeup
Well,
on.
get onto the step first. You're right there.
She's like, wait a minute, this isn't my nest. What the hell? I got all this sweat I can't see.
Oh, no, they sweat.
I know. I'm sure they don't.
Ouch, it's burning my feet.
I know, I was burning mine too.
Get up there. You can do it.
You want to help her? Oh, where's she going?
Get you.
You're coming with me.
You want to be in this, you guys?
No.
You're going to be in it right now.
Okay.
How's she going to make that maneuver? And why is she trying to get to the top? I just don't get it. Her nest is not even up there. You're right in it, Shelly, right? You're okay.
I'm just not going to talk because I heard my voice on Justin's and it's bad.
No one likes their own voice.
Ooh. Wow, there you are.
Clumsy.
Look at all the airplane and cool things.
Oh, yeah.
Your sister's missing out.